Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. In this video, we will talk about how to do a revised schedule without splitting the activities. Of course, the Waha tool has a feature that allows you to do a revised schedule by splitting and dividing the activities that are in progress into not started and complete. Of course, sometimes you are required to do the revised schedule or a recovery schedule or whatever it may be without splitting the activities. So I just wanted to post this video to clear up the confusion that people have regarding the splitting issue. I mean, some people start working on with splitting and find that the earned value doesn't equal the planned value, and they feel like something is wrong or that they did it incorrectly. So I wanted to post this video. Of course, the tool will do this for you, but I want to clarify the confusion that happens with this option and when it is appropriate and when it is not. So we have a project like this where the earned, the scheduled percent complete is 87 and the performance percent complete is 91. Okay, there is a piece of information you need to know. If you are working with duration, you can use this option. I mean, you can not with the tool. The tool will work in all cases, whether physical or duration. But if you are going to do it via global change and you are working with duration, it will work for you. Some activities might not work, but in general, the matter will be applicable. However, if you are working with physical, that's where the problem is, because it's very likely it won't work for you if you are working with physical. I mean, physical in the true sense, not just that you have defined the percent complete type as physical, but you are working with it as if it were duration. Now, if you are working with physical, you won't be able to equate the earned value with the planned value without breaking down the activities. So take it as a rule. I mean, even some consultants request this. If you are working with physical, the best solution is for you to break down the activities. If you are working with duration, you can work with global change. It might work out for you, or use the Waha tool. In both cases, Waha will work with both, whether physical or duration. But there is a price to pay. I'll leave it to you to discover the price that will be paid if you are working with physical. With duration, God willing, there won't be a problem. But if you are working with physical, it's likely that there's a price you'll have to pay. Not money, it will happen in the schedule. You go ahead and try it and discover where the problem is so you can know the difference. So for a schedule like this, we will do a file export. The XER. It's called update, no problem. And in the Oasis tool, there is revised by splitting, and you will find replace lining or what is called no split. You click on it, it asks you for the XER that we just exported, the update, and you click start. Of course, as we said, there is the help button. When you click on it, it opens a video explaining how to use this tool. Likewise, all the tools have a help section that explains how to use the tool. And inside the tutorial, there are also explanatory videos. It will create the same ribbon above for you like this. Click on any of these icons and it will open an explanatory video for it. Let's go back to the revised. Select the XER, then click Start and save it to the desktop, for example. It's finished. Let's look at File Import XER. Of course, this project is ICE Physical. If you worked on it using global change, it won't work out for you. You will notice that the tool set the earned value to the planned value, if of course I don't want to ask for cost. You will also find that the earned value cost equals the planned value cost. And as I said, if you are a consultant or something, use this method. It is preferred if you are working with duration.